Isn't time to buy or sell ABVX SA American Depositary Shares stock? In this video, we are diving deep into ABVX SA American Depositary Shares. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 12th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of June 2025, our system has ranked ABVX SA American Depositary Shares as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.88. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of over 1,091.63% since we first listed ABVX SA American Depositary Shares as a buy candidate 56 days ago. This translates to an average return of approximately 19.49% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likely continuation of this rise. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 44,973.51% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 38,921.61% to 55,510.88%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 116.80%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 56.36% and positive 134.28% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $36.67 and $196.82. Our latest daily update for ABVX SA American Depositary Shares includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for ABVX SA American Depositary Shares. The stock price of ABVX SA American Depositary Shares decreased by 2.27% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 12th of September, 2025, dropping from $85.96 to $84.01. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout that trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 3.08%, ranging from a low of $82.29 to a high of $84.82. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a gain of 2.9% despite the recent volatility. Notably, trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally viewed as a positive sign, as volume typically aligns with stock movement. On this day, the trading volume fell by 276,000 shares, with a total of 1 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $86,230,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $92.91, while the lowest was $4.77. Currently, the price stands at 9.58% or $8.90 below the 52-week high of $92.91, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. ABVX is moving into a higher orbit today. The company has been admitted to the CAC Mid-60 and SBF 120 following Euronext's annual review. This move will immediately broaden its investor base and attract buying from index funds and exchange-traded funds, leading to greater liquidity. This follows impressive Phase 3 induction results for obefazimod in July, which caused the shares to rise significantly and set the stage for a 44-week maintenance readout expected in the second quarter of 2026, along with a potential new drug application filing in the second half of 2026. On the corporate finance side, ABVX completed a substantial American Depositary Shares offering in late July, bringing in approximately $747,500,000. This cash strengthens the balance sheet and funds late-stage programs, reducing near-term financing risk. However, it also expanded the float and contributed to short-term selling pressure surrounding the deal and the trading halt and resumption events. The net impact In the short term, index inclusion, coupled with momentum from the Phase 3 data, should support price and volume, although dilution and post-offer volatility may limit gains. In the long term, the stock's fate hinges on the 44-week maintenance outcome and regulatory approval. A successful program could justify a significant re-rating or interest in mergers and acquisitions, while negative maintenance or safety results could reverse recent gains. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of July, 2025, it was reported that Leerink Partners assigned ABVX an outperform rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned ABVX a market outperform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of September, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned ABVX an overweight rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 29th of July, 2024, it was reported that Laidlaw assigned ABVX a buy rating with an initialize action. On Monday, the 20th of May, 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned ABVX a buy rating with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to ABVX SA American Depositary Shares stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for ABVX SA American Depositary Shares. The ABVX SA American Depositary Shares stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, a general buy signal exists for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $87.20. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average around $75.95. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact the stock's near-term development. A sell signal appeared from a pivot top point on Monday, September 8, 2025. With the stock experiencing a decline of 6.66% since then. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal, 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, 58 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 55 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, 57 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, 58 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 65 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support risk and stop loss for ABVX SA American Depositary Shares. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $69.76 and $68.60. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is breached, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, ABVX SA American Depositary Shares finds support just below today's level at $69.76. If this is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $68.60 and $66.49. This stock may exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be of high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.54 between its high and low, or 3.08%. For the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 4.3%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for ABVX SA American Depositary Shares, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is expected on the 23rd of March, 2026. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for ABVX SA American Depositary Shares. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for ABVX SA American Depositary Shares is at $85.96. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, ABVX SA American Depositary Shares encounters its first support level at $69.76. If this support level holds, it might be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $79.24, reflecting a decrease of 5.68%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which inherently introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is ABVX SA American Depositary Share stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for ABVX SA American Depositary Share stock to perform well in the near term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 15th of September, we anticipate that ABVX SA American Depositary Shares will open lower by 305 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $83.71. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.